Welcome, today I'm showing how to lock your SIM card with SIM pin into a Samsung Galaxy M23. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and go into biometrics and security option. In this menu, scroll down one more time and go into other security settings. Here choose setup SIM card lock, and now tap here on the switcher to activate your lock SIM card option. So tapping, and now for locking SIM card, need to enter your current SIM card pin. So enter my current SIM card pin and click OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.